then this is an app that it's hosted on a free website, so anyone can acquire this app and use it. Then when it talks about the complexity, we did a lot of research in this. We understood that doctors needed to physically count the infected cells in someone's blood, where you need to get an average within 10 to 30 minutes, which becomes something which is very stressful. Biology students can actually testify how hard it is for you to use a microscope and then have to identify and count cells and get the average. It's something very complicated. That's why we have solved that problem with a device that you just blend in one phone. You don't even need to have mobile data. Then in the next 10 seconds, you know your status of malaria. This can help us to reduce the mortality rate within the country. That's majorly affecting, I could say, the children below 5 years and pregnant women who fall victims because or due to late treatment. In most cases, our hospitals are always crowded. Then the technical workers also get exhausted. Trust me, this thing is very hard to use, especially when you have to count cells and get the average, and then you do it for like 100 people. But this, within a short time, you can do it for 100 people, and you're not even tired. So that's the beauty of our work. It's just a word of appreciation to our dear head teacher. It has been a long journey to get us here. Then during our research, we consulted from a few biology teachers. I actually do appreciate Mr. Boniface Uchen. He really inspired us during the work, because most especially in a school society like this, people think that when you're dealing with a project, you're trying to escape or relax from academic work, but Teacher Boniface told us that when it comes to, when you have a passion and a vision to do something, you need to step up and actually get to it. So from his experience, we went to the chemistry lab. We needed a chemical that even the government can't buy. That's what we eventually learned. But then we improvised for certain chemicals to help us attain the blood smear samples. So we'll extend this to the other side and we'll do the testing. People can come and prove the app is working. Even the microscope is working. It's still new. Just a word of appreciation. Yes, so I'll take you how it works. This is a Cito. It's a wearable chair. It has straps. So these straps, you just unbuckle them. You strap it around your waist. Then there's the two below. The two below, you strap it in between your thighs. Then gives you that tight angle to make it portable enough. So basically, it's a wearable chair.